This is the exotic Buddha belly plant. You can grow it from seed, but before you start, there are definitely some things you need to know. Let's grow these seeds. You can purchase the seeds online, but if there is a nearby plant, you can collect the seeds yourself. Tie a gauze bag around a developing seed pod to capture the seeds. Otherwise, they will burst open and you will not be able to find them. They go from being just a little bit green to popping open in about a week or so. Even though there are 3 seed compartments, you often only get 2 seeds, so don't be surprised or go looking for the 3rd seed. It does not exist. The seeds do not need to be scarified for germination. That is, you don't need to soak them or nick them. You can plant them directly in soil just the way they are. Plant your seeds in a deep starter container, because it was my experience that the seedlings grow quite tall and generate long taproots extremely quickly. I suggest they be at least 6 inches deep, that's 15 centimeters. Small starter containers like this are what you don't want to use. I am using normal potting soil and planting the seeds about 1/2 inch, that's about 1 centimeter deep. Put your starter container in a clear sealed bag or place a clear sealed bag over the top to create a mini hothouse environment to germinate the seeds. Make sure the plastic bag is tall enough because they can grow rather tall rather quickly. Keep the seeds above 75 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 25 degrees Celsius, and place them in indirect light. It's been 16 days and our Buddha belly seedling is looking great, but it has already outgrown this small pot and we're going to be repotting it. This is a 4-week update, and the first true leaf has emerged and it's looking really good, and what I really want to show are the new leaves coming up. And right there you can see some new leaves coming up. Recently I grew 2 more seeds, and here they are after 3 weeks. One seed germinated quickly and is doing great, and you can see how tall it is. That is why you need to start with a fairly deep container. The other seed has not germinated at all, and you may be tempted to give up after a few weeks. And here's what you need to know. Buddha belly plant seeds can take anywhere from a few days to a few months to germinate. That's right. It was my experience it may take months for a seed to germinate. Do not give up hope, and I strongly recommend that you continue to try and germinate your seed. I had other seeds that I gave up on too quickly and reused the soil containing the ungerminated seeds. I was quite surprised when many weeks, or maybe even months later, I found Buddha belly seedlings growing where I had not planted them and did not expect them. I found one in a flamboyant tree that I had repotted, and another one in a mahogany tree that I had replanted. So, up till now, 4 out of 6 seeds I have planted have germinated, and I am waiting expectantly for 1 more. In other words, it was my experience that these seeds have a fairly high germination success rate, but an extremely variable germination time frame. So be patient and give your seeds plenty of time, and do not give up on them. And by the way, these latest seeds I pre-soaked before planting. It did not make any difference, and 1 seed germinated quickly, and the other one I'm still waiting for. Here's my beautiful Buddha belly collection. I have many healthy plants and look forward to them flowering in the near future. Please tick that like button and be sure and let me know your experiences in the comments below.